Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. Glad you could join me here today. I'm Marsha, and today I'm going to show you an extraordinary way of making a snippet roll with little fabric clusters. So this is an 11-foot snippet roll that I've made. And I've made 3 clusters that I've put right here at the beginning. Now let me open this up and show you the rest of the 10 feet. This is the first 12 inches. So what I've done is I had a bed skirt and I cut the length of that and all the way around, and it was 11 feet. And then I just sat down and put on a movie, and in a couple of hours I cut fabric strips and I hand stitched these all in place onto that cotton bed sheet, or it could have been a tablecloth. I don't remember what it was. I think it was a tablecloth. And aren't these beautiful? Look at all of the gorgeous fabrics that I have used. They're all vintage. That one right there is a beautiful heavier linen, and as you can tell, I am doing this in a red, cream, and black and white theme. Vintage types of fabrics, fun children types of fabric, the ladybugs, the apples was actually from a school print fabric. So I just repeated those over and over and over. And I love this shell print. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so easy to do. And I just cut these in strips. And 2 strips, one down one side, the other down the other side. And then I just measured it out when I was all done and folded it so that I knew what was the length of this. And it wound up being 11 feet. I could not believe it. So here's the backing, as you can see, and there's all my stitching, as you can see as well. And then I put some of this beautiful black and gold. On the other side it was gold was the dominant color, and then the black stitching in it, but I didn't want that, so I turned it over, and I loved the other side of it, so that's what I used. And this vintage beautiful fabric here, if you've been with me for any length of time, I made an actual junk journal, fabric junk journal cover out of that fabric. Oh, it turned out gorgeous. But look at these. Let me show you these little clusters up close. I've stitched all of the elements in place. I made these little black and white fabric yo-yos, and then this is a wooden butterfly button. And I just have pinned this into place. They're not sewn into place yet. And then I did this one. This is a beautiful butterfly motif. Don't you love that? And then on this yo-yo I put a button, and on this yo-yo I put a button, but over here I still need to put a button, which I'm going to use a white button so that that will stand out. Oh, it's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And I will find another butterfly element that I can put over here. I think I have a gold butterfly charm, and that's what I'm going to pin onto this. But I just absolutely love how this turned out. Now the background of this, after I put the fabric, I have this white vintage rickrack, and then I had some red tulle, and I think it was netting or tulle, one of the two. And then this lace actually came off of a slip, a vintage slip. And then I cut that into 12 inches, and then I did zigzag. So I did a zigzag stitch down the center of this, and then I did a zigzag stitch down the back of that. I don't know if you can see the stitches. Let me turn it over here so you can see it. Yeah, there, here you go. So yeah, 2 rows of the zigzag. And then you can see where I've got it pinned into place. I'm filming from my living room next to the window, but this turned out so beautiful. So when I do the next 12 inches, then I will film that and we'll do it together. But I just wanted to show you this, and it's absolutely going to be stunning. So I think I will cut this in 12-inch sections, and I will offer some of these for sale in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. The link will be in the description below. And then I'm going to save some and use it in my crafting. These are also beautiful and gorgeous to hang for decoration, and I could turn the clusters this direction and then make a little channel here, and you can hang this from the wall. So it's absolutely so many ways you could use it. You could use this as a party banner. So if you wanted to keep it the 11 feet, make one of these yourself. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? So all the work that has gone into this, I put 4 hours just to do the 11 feet and by hand sewing all of the fabrics on. And so if I were to try to make this and finish it and sell it, it would be hundreds of dollars. So I don't want to put that out there because I would price myself out of the market on that. Unless somebody wanted it as a party banner, then it would be definitely well worth it. But just for either our quilting or scrapbooking, junk journaling, that kind of a thing, you know, you wouldn't want to price it like that. So that's why I'm saying I think I'll offer these maybe in just the 12-inch sections. But aren't these beautiful? Absolutely just turned out gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. So I can't wait to decorate the next section with you guys, and I hope that you will want to do this with me. It's simple, simple, simple. So here's some of the vintage linens and things that I have pulled out and that I'm using and cutting from some vintage hankies. These are the pincushion freebies that are going out to my customers that are in my Sunshine Makers Club. If you watch my video on my 2 videos back, I have the subscriber and the customer customer appreciation video is in there with that, and the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So please be sure to enter the giveaway. But these pen cushions are on their way. I finally got envelopes that I needed to mail these, so they're going out. So they are in their little bag. So now they just need to get into their shipping envelope. So those will be going out. But anyway, I have lots of goodies I want to share with you guys. So much fun. This is a huge, beautiful vintage lace tablecloth. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm going to cut this down and use it in some of the kits that are going to be coming up in the shop. So anyway, thank you for being here with me today, and I'm so happy that you joined in and saw how to make these beautiful snippet rolls and clusters. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.